Hello everyone, welcome to another amazing tutorial where I'm going to be showing you how you can actually get a spectacular and creative church design done on your smartphone only. Now do it to stay tuned to the end of the tutorial and follow through to know how I was able to achieve the entire design. Now welcome new subscribers, and for those who have not yet subscribed, please do it to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also do it to turn on the post notification icon so that you can get new updates on videos like this. So without wasting much time, let's get right into it. Now basically what I'm currently doing is I am erasing a part of the background so that I can actually use it for an effect later on as we proceed in the design. Now as you can see, we have two layers lined up. One layer is actually having the entire background, while the other one is having the background that we just cut out. Now if you noticed, this particular background that I just cut out, right, the water like at this edge is actually very sharp, so I'm going to actually do something about that by using my eraser to fade it out so that it can actually sit well on the design, just like you have it like this. So you can see that that place is already more softer than it was before. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add up my sky so that I can fill up the entire background. So I'm just going to crop the place where I need, and I'm going to scale it up just like that, and then I'm going to kindly take it back, like take to the back of the entire layer, and I'm going to go to my color filter and I'm going to change the hue. I'm going to take the hue to -31, and then I'm going to just walk around the saturation or the brightness as well to get my desired outlook, right? Alright, this is good. So I'm going to lock it up as well. Now next thing I'm going to now do is to add up my I want to add up something like a fader right at the top of the background, so that whatever I put on the top, like the logo of the church and other details as well, can be able to be more pronounced, can be more visible. That's why I actually created that. So next thing I'm going to do is to bring in the logo, and then I'm just going to expand to this extent, and then I'm going to leave it just like this. I'm going to also place something at the top right corner, so that's why I left out that space. The next thing I'm going to do is to bring in the other details. I'm just going to add other details. I'm going to speed this up so that I won't waste any of your time. So next thing I'm going to do is to bring in new text, and I'm just going to type in prayer so that I can scale that up, and then I'm just going to add up a texture. I'm going to pick this background that we have as the texture, and I'm going to just select a part of the background so that I can use that part for the text, right? So I'm just going to make few adjustments, and then I think this is good. I think I like this here. I'm just going to click on that, and I'm going to change the fonts to something more bolder, something more bigger. I'm going to scale up as well, and then I'm going to go back to my texture because I think the texture is not really aligned properly. So I'm going to go back to texture, and then I'm going to just click on the enabled, just like that, so that we have the whole texture evenly spread across the text. I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to bring in the other text, which is streams, so that we have the entire text, prayer streams, right? So I'm just going to merge both of them together so that I can make my adjustment the way I want to, because I want this text to look like a text effect. That's the look I'm actually going for. So I'm just going to sort of speed up this process as well, so that I won't waste any of your time. But I promise, as I go by or as I continue, I'll actually make a tutorial that can actually extensively explain how you can actually create, text effects using just your phone, just like you're seeing right here. So this being done, I think the effect is done right now. So what I'm going to do next is to merge both of them together again, and I'm going to just click on OK. So the next thing I'm going to do is, remember we had a particular background cut out. So next thing I'm going to do is to drag the prayer streams to the middle of the two backgrounds that I had cut out, so that I can have this effect that you're seeing right here, just like that. So I'm just going to make a little adjustments to the background or to a text effect as well, and then I'm going to make a little adjustment to the background so that everything can sit properly. I'm actually speeding this up so that I won't, this tutorial will not be really long, and you can actually get the main idea and the main concept of the entire tutorial. So next thing I'm going to do is to bring the picture of the saint man, the picture of the lead pastor of the church. So next thing I'm going to do is just do a little tweak on his picture as well, because this is looking too saturated, and I for one, as a designer, I love my elements looking tied up together. So I do everything possible to make sure everything is everything is having the same tune, just like you're seeing right here. So I'm just going to drop the saturation a bit. I'm going to kind of okay, I'll just leave the brightness at 0, and I'm going to bump up the contrast a little bit to 6. That's good. So I'm just going to reduce saturation a bit, and then I think this is okay, and then I'll just click on OK. Alright, now I'm actually done with this design. What I did next was to take the design to PS Touch, and then I took it to Lightroom to add up flares and also touch up the design to have this look you're seeing currently on your screen. Now I have a tutorial on where I actually talks about how you can use PS Touch to add up flares to your design. You can also follow that tutorial to know how to add up other light leaks and other effects to your design. And also I talked about how you can use Lightroom to edit your design. So do it to check out those tutorials on my on my video tabs. And then, like I said before, if you've not subscribed to the channel, do it to subscribe and turn on the post notification bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new tutorial. And welcome new subscribers. For those who have not subscribed, still do it to subscribe, as it helps the channel. I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.